there was no need. Yung parang, my mom was his everything also. Yung talagang, I was so busy working, pero every day may kasabay siyang kumakain ng dinner, may nag-tutor and all. Kasi, wait, akong na 2009, 6 years ago, Kuya was 14. So all those formative years, buo. Kasi may lola. So ngayon, eto ngayon, yung, kaya ako ginagawa ng paraan. And that's what, pero I can only go so much kasi alam nga naman, kalagkarin ko pa, or ako pa mamilat, di ba? Kung hindi naman kukusa, tantano na rin ako. Di ba? Na huwag niyong palabasin na ako yung bad kung ikaw mismo, wala ka namang ginagawa. It takes two.
So, Miss Chris, parang struggle pa rin yun sa inyo with the dad to make him
It's not my
more time.
struggle because I know hindi ako nagkukulang. I think it's his struggle because maybe he's really still not prepared to take on all the responsibilities of parenting. Yung ito, I'm sure hindi trip ito ni Derek na i-share ko, pero di ba, ang dami niyang pinagdaanan.
Yeah.
Pero today, dapat kasi magte-tape, pero nakiusap siya kasi magsusundo siya sa airport kasi dadating yung anak. So, pag nakikita mo yung gano'n, mafe-feel mo, di ba? At yun, di ba, nag-DNA pa and everything. Pero may ginagawa. Yung ano, so parang, tapos yung, babalik ako yung nakaraan yung naka-short-lived relationship ko na prioritize ang mga anak. Oh, possible yun eh. So parang feeling ko, bakit sa anak ko hindi ginagawa?
Pero you're open, like, if he asks for time with his son.
He doesn't have to ask for time. Pumunta ka lang sa school. There's no rule that says huwag ka magsundo. Never. Diba? It's okay.
Wala nang
Oo.
court order.
Walang humaharang sa'yo na daanan mo. Mag-ano kayo, mag-drive-through kayo. Ito lang kung yung yaya nga kinot-short ang honeymoon dahil alam na ganun ka heartbroken. Na ang buong mundo, nakita kung galing iniyak ni Bill. Lahat ng Philippines nakikry sa amin. He never even called to check on the kid. So parang diba, minsan naiirita talaga ako, napapalabasan nila na akong may problema. Hindi ako po yun. Kasi